Realme GT 8 Pro live image leak and high-quality renders of the upcoming Realme GT 8 Pro have surfaced, giving us the clearest look yet. Realme Vice President Wang Wei confirmed that the GT 8 series will launch in October. There is a possibility that the GT 8 Pro could be launched at 3,999 yuan for the base variant. The Realme GT 8 Pro may sport a flat OLED display with 2K resolution and an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner embedded under the screen. It will feature the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, the next-gen flagship chipset from Qualcomm. It is likely to ship with the Realme UI 7-based Android 16. One of the most striking upgrades could be in the camera department, with a 200-megapixel periscope lens likely to feature in the setup. This could be the Samsung HP9 sensor. This camera sensor features a large 1/1.4-inch size and supports 4x4 pixel binning. A 50MP main camera, an ultra-wide camera. Battery capacity might reach 7,000 mAh, with 120W fast charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.